Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Choco Almond Muffin. For this we need baking powder, baking soda, castor sugar, cocoa powder, oil, milk, all-purpose flour, eggs, vanilla essence. So first we'll take egg. I'm using 4 eggs. Let's beat the egg. Add few drops of vanilla essence. Again mix them. Now take a beater and beat them for 8 to 10 minutes. We have beaten it very properly. Add some oil. Again beat the egg. Now in a strainer take 100 grams of refined flour, 100 grams of castor sugar, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Strain all the dry ingredients. Make sure there is no lump. Now in our wet mixture add 2 to 3 teaspoons of dry ingredient. Fold it. Again add dry ingredient 2 to 3 teaspoons. Fold it. You can add cola. Keep on doing this till you find a smooth consistency. Now you can see our batter is very smooth. So I will add some almonds, chopped almonds. Mix them very gently. Now take a muffin mold. Fill the batter. Garnish it with almond. Now on preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius we will bake it for 22 minutes to 25 minutes. Your Choco Almond Muffin is ready. Thank you.